Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your audio CDs into your audio CD onto your computer in Windows 10. So yes, Windows 10 does still have the ability to rip audio CDs and copy audio discs onto your operating system. So what you want to do is just plug in your USB plug-in CD drive, which you will need because most computers don't even have CD drives anymore, and then just put your audio CD in there. And then to customize where you want the things like the audio then what you're going to want to do is open Windows Media Player, and then your CD will show up on the left hand side under Music. Go to RIP Settings. You can choose what file format you want the songs to be copied from the CD from in here. MP3, WAV, ALAC, FLAC. And if you go here, there's Burn, Performance, Network, Library, and all these things for you to check out. Then what you're going to want to do is just click RIP CD. And it's going to go through a process where it'll read the disk and then copy the songs over. I'm not going to make you sit and watch through all that with me, but you get the idea. So based on which audio file settings you chose when you made the import from Windows Media Player, you can now copy your audio CDs over into Windows 10. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.